Is the cozy Luna brush cleaner worth buying or just another overhyped beauty gadget? Let's find out. This device claims to clean makeup brushes fast, using spinning motion and suction to remove residue. It's marketed as a quick, easy, and water-saving alternative to hand washing. Some users love how it removes excess product quickly, especially for frequent brush users. However, many say it doesn't fully clean brushes, especially dense bristles or stubborn makeup like glue-based products. Priced around $20 to $30, it's affordable, but has mixed reviews on durability and real effectiveness. Most still require hand washing afterward for a deep clean. If you're looking for a complete replacement for traditional cleaning, this may disappoint, but if you want a quick pre-clean step, it might help. If this review helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.